Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to give you a real quick overview of a craft project I was working on. You have seen me in the past put together paint birdhouses, and through the Dollar Tree this little item here will come to you as just a plain wooden, and you can see it's two-sided, and it also comes with a little battery operated that the light will turn on once you've completed your project. It's pretty cool at night actually. What I chose to do today, and I just wanted to give you, they have, as I mentioned before, they're all dollar items for painting and also for finishing your project up. You can take a polyurethane if you want to spray that afterwards on top, you surely can. Today I ended up using, and again, you'll see a variety of brushes up here that I can use, that I like to use. A lot of times I pick these two brushes out. They're pretty fine, and this one has a point for details that I used. And some of the paints today that I did was, I used a basic black for the front, and that was just your acrylic right here, and this was at Hobby Lobby that you can purchase this at. And then I went ahead and did the back, a blue, and this was again purchased at Hobby Lobby. So once I put the basic coats on, I usually gave it two brushes over. I went back and pulled out my white acrylic, and this is again just your basic white, and I just pulled up some images, and you can do that very well through the web, and dotted them around the edges, brought a little highlights within the front, and then decided to bring in one more color of blue. This particular blue is a pale blue, and this worked very well to detail the rest of that out. Just kind of give it a three-dimensional kind of look. I'm really quite pleased with how it turned out, and wish you guys the best, and jump in, give it a shot. And again, the Dollar Tree has a lot of different colors that they have in the craft area that I've used. And if you have any questions or comments of something you want to see, just let me know. Have a great afternoon. Thanks, guys.